And today we are going to unpack Woodpecker Uds-X scaler. So this is the scaler packing we got, and as you can see here, this is the original copy. Can scratch it and scan the QR code and find it is original or not. Okay, this is the usual manual and tip books. Okay, warranty card. Okay, this is the scaler. This is the LED handpiece we have with the scaler. We can see two dots here. We have to join it. This is the foot control. This is the adapter. And a water in it. We get 5 tips plus 2 endo tips. We have wrench. This is one extra LED. So if you open this handpiece, you have this LED. If this get damaged, we can replace it. One extra is there. So in the scaler we have this on-off switch, power supply, foot control, water unit, water adjustable knot. Water unit will be attached to here. We can put it here. The scaler, we have options plus minus, as a gingival, periodontal, endodontic options are there. So as you can see, you can change the options, can increase the intensity, maximum 15. So there are some specification written over here. Accordingly you have to adjust.